Here's something you probably didn't know about your dog. They are secretly geniuses. First fact, a dog's sense of smell is so powerful, it can be used to detect diseases like cancer and diabetes in humans. Incredible, right? Second, dogs are as smart as a 2-year-old child. They can learn over 100 words and gestures. And third, those floppy ears aren't just cute. They help them hear sounds that are 4 times farther away than what we can hear. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below and follow for more amazing animal facts.